Mabuhay! It's Janine again. So today, I'm going to tell you about my application process when I applied for a job in a BPO company, specifically in Alorica, Cubao. So in this video, we were in Gateway looking for matitipuhan naming food. And evidently, I'm with my boyfriend kasi he insisted to accompany me. So, ayan, we ordered through a kiosk. We just ordered one piece of chicken with rice without drinks ata yung in-order namin dyan. Kasi may water naman. Mabilis lang din naman dumating yung order namin. Nag-pump na si Ryan ng gravy dyan because we love gravy. Like, love gravy so much. Right after that, syempre, pumunta na rin kami sa table namin to finally eat because parehas ata kami nitong walang kain. Kudos sa KFC dahil ang lalaki ng manok nyo. Bakit? Wala. Tada! After we enjoyed our food, syempre pumunta na rin kami right away doon sa kung saan ako mag-a-apply. Sa totoo lang, kaya rin talaga ako sinamahan ni Rin kasi I think wala siyang tiwala talaga sa ways skills ko. Independent naman ako kapag wala siya. Pero kapag nandyan siya, syempre, pabebe tayo. So, mabalik tayo sa talagang topic natin. Ito na nga, nalalapit na ang pagsubok na ating kahaharapin. Sa totoo lang, medyo natetense ako nito. Di tumitibok yung puso ko na talagang kabang-kaba. Pero nakaka-tense pala siya. Kasi workplace setting na to. Hindi na to yung talagang maka-interview lang with the faculty, with your teachers. Nandito na tayo, mag-a-apply ka na, trabaho to. You have to be serious, diba? Just wanna share, ang cute lang din, may pa-food stub sila. Meron silang pa-grazing table. You have the chance para makakuha ng 3 pieces of food. So ako, I chose the donut kasi wala, I love sweets. And then I got 2 biscuits as well. Ayan, I enjoyed the food. Sa totoo lang, wala akong video nung initial interview. Tapos nag-typing test din ako. Tapos pronunciation of words. And fill in the blanks. Fortunately, I passed all of those assessments. And ayan, ito sa video na to, final interview and mock call ko na yan. Bilis, diba? Kasi Rain wasn't able to enter the establishment. Kasi nga, it was full of applicants, diba? Yung kanina na para akong nagwawala. Umalis yung interviewer nun kasi nakita niya, nanginginig ako sa lamig and pinahinaan niya yung aircon. So, that's so kind of him naman. To make the story short, technically, maybe I did not, or maybe I passed the final interview, but I did not meet the qualifications. Kasi feeling ko, basta, kasi they're looking for a full-time. Basta, feeling ko, nakutuban ako ng interviewer. Actually, na-praise niya pa nga ako kasi sabi niya, I have the skills daw. Happy ako na na-appreciate niya, na-compliment yung skills ko. And that he doesn't want my skills to go into waste, ganito, ganyan. Nag-ask pa siya dun sa iba niyang kasamahan niya if may available pa bang pang part-time or parang mas onti yung hours. Pero ayun, wala nga raw. Tapos pinapabalik ako ng July. Tignan natin kung babalik ako. So, I was endorsed sa premium telco account and they already disclosed the salary package. For me, it was high already, knowing na I have no formal experience. The only experience that I had is that I was a private tutor for 3 days. Though informal, I think that still counts as an experience because I wasn't employed by a company or an employer. And then, I also worked for a day as a sales assistant in a flower shop located in Masinag. So, lang. We stopped right here because I am really fond of pastries and breads. Naaakit talaga ako whenever I see those. So, yum. Ensaymada. Flour bomb. Almond. Ano yung isa? Coffee bun. Smell good. Cheese ensaymada or Oreo ensaymada?
Dalawa na, no?
Sobrang yaman.
Ito yung cheese.
Cheese ensaymada or blueberry? Or blueberry. Cheese oil. Cheese tayo. Yan. Share tayo dito.
ba yan? Gusto mo? Sige na, kunin mo na. Kunin mo na.
Ako magmamahal.
Hindi, ako na
Para sa
magbabayad.
Di ba may Gcash
Ako
siya?
na magbabayad nun.
3, ito po. 161. Okay. Pumunta na rin kami kaagad dun sa terminal ng mga e-bus. And then, dito na rin namin kinain yung mga breads na pinamili namin. In fairness, all of them were so good. Ang sarap ng cream dyan sa chocolate bread na yan. Lasa siyang dark chocolate ng Hershey's. Out of all, I really enjoyed this bread kasi bukod sa mahilig ako sa chocolate, hindi rin siya gaano katamis and may cream pa siya inside. So, it's a plus. Habang pwede tong video, gusto ko lang sabihin, ang hirap pala mag-adulting, no? Iba kapag tumatanda ka na, mas nagiging seryoso yung responsibilities mo. Mahirap siya and parang at the same time nakakalungkot. But ang wish ko lang para sa ating lahat ay sana we will all reach our dreams and that we will all win in life. Good night.